Have you ever needed to send your exact location to someone on Instagram? Whether you're meeting a friend, sharing a hidden gem, or ensuring safety, this quick guide will show you how. Let's dive in. First, open the Instagram app and tap the search icon at the bottom of the screen. Type the name of the place you want to share into the search bar. As you type, suggestions will appear. Select the correct one from the results. Once you've selected the location, you'll see a page with details about the place. Tap the share button located beneath the place's information. You'll be prompted to choose where to send the location. Select the conversation or group where you want to share it, and then tap send. The recipient will now see the location you've shared, complete with the map view for easy navigation. This method is perfect for coordinating meetups, sharing favorite spots, or ensuring someone knows exactly where you are. Unfortunately, Instagram doesn't allow you to share your location directly. For that, try using WhatsApp, Messenger, or iMessages. And that's it, a quick and efficient way to share a specific location on Instagram. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share the video if you found it helpful. See you next time.